Are your legs feeling stiff, heavy, or weaker than they used to? You might be doing everything right, eating fruits, staying active, but still struggling. What if I told you that some of the fruits you eat daily could be quietly draining your strength and hurting your joints without you even realizing it? Introduction. We've always believed that fruits are among the healthiest foods we can eat, and for the most part, they are. But as we age, things start to change. Our metabolism slows down, our blood sugar becomes harder to control, and our joints grow more sensitive. Some fruits that are totally fine when you're younger might actually work against you after 60. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on 7 common fruits that could be quietly weakening your legs, inflaming your joints, and affecting your balance and mobility. These aren't rare or exotic items either. They're fruits you likely have in your kitchen right now. But don't worry, we'll also cover better alternatives you can enjoy without risking your joint and muscle health. Let's get into it. 1. Oranges, the acidic culprit for aging joints. Oranges are widely known for their immune-boosting vitamin C and refreshing taste. They seem like the perfect way to start the day. But for older adults, they can come with a hidden cost, especially when consumed daily or in juice form. Oranges contain citric acid and natural sugars that, over time, can contribute to joint irritation and stiffness. As we age, our body's ability to buffer acids and manage inflammation declines. That morning glass of orange juice might be subtly adding to joint tightness, particularly in your knees and hips. You might not notice it immediately, but over weeks or months, you may feel increased stiffness or soreness when standing up or walking. Now, this doesn't mean you should never eat oranges again. But frequency and form matter. Eating a whole orange occasionally is fine. But drinking orange juice daily or consuming multiple servings per day may contribute to discomfort in your lower body. 2. Bananas, the hidden sugar trap, weakening your legs. Bananas are often viewed as the go-to fruit for potassium and energy. But here's what most people overlook. Bananas are high in sugar and carbohydrates, and they rank relatively high on the glycemic index. What does that mean for you? If you're over 60, your insulin sensitivity is lower, so foods that spike your blood sugar can leave you feeling fatigued or even shaky after the initial energy boost. Have you ever eaten a banana and felt sleepy or tired not long after? That's your blood sugar crashing. Over time, this can lead to weakened leg muscles, especially if you're eating bananas often. Bananas may also worsen joint stiffness in people with arthritis or gout, thanks to their starch content. Again, moderation is key. If you love bananas, consider limiting your intake to half a banana and pairing it with protein or fiber to reduce sugar spikes. 3. Grapes, the small fruit that triggers big joint pain. Grapes are small, sweet, and often praised for their antioxidants. But they come with a major downside. They're very high in fructose, a type of sugar that is processed by the liver. When the liver becomes overloaded, it turns excess fructose into uric acid, a known contributor to joint inflammation and gout. If you've ever experienced a burning sensation in your toes, swelling in your ankles, or stiffness in your knees, high fructose fruits like grapes might be part of the cause. Many people snack on grapes without thinking, just a few here and there, but those handfuls add up fast. A couple of cups of grapes can deliver as much sugar as a candy bar. The high glycemic load of grapes can also reduce circulation to your legs, making you feel heavy and tired during simple tasks like walking or standing. Try swapping grapes with low-sugar berries, like blueberries or raspberries, which offer antioxidants without spiking your blood sugar or uric acid levels. Fordyrbensatine for Saman Sinfor Nalbron Chen Sidov. Watermelon, the deceptive hydrator that worsens leg fatigue. Watermelon is 90% water, so it feels refreshing and hydrating. But don't let that fool you. Watermelon has one of the highest glycemic indexes among fruits. That means it raises your blood sugar very quickly. And for seniors, this can lead to poor circulation, inflammation, and energy crashes. Poor blood flow to your legs means less oxygen reaching your muscles. This can lead to tired, achy legs, especially after a short walk or even standing for a while. Watermelon also contains fructose, which, as mentioned before, can contribute to uric acid buildup and joint discomfort. Plus, it's so light that it's easy to overeat. A couple of slices quickly turns into several cups of sugar. If your legs feel heavy or your knees ache after a summer snack, consider switching to more balanced hydrating options like cucumber, coconut water, or papaya. 5. Cherries, the sweet fruit that can secretly trigger joint flare-ups. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and have been linked to muscle recovery. But they're also high in natural sugars and can increase histamine reactions in the body. If you already deal with joint pain, inflammation, or arthritis, cherries, especially sweet or dried varieties, can exacerbate your symptoms. The high sugar content causes an insulin spike, which triggers inflammation. Plus, dried cherries and cherry juice are often concentrated and can include preservatives like sulfites, which are known to worsen joint pain in sensitive individuals. If you love cherries, choose tart cherries in small portions and avoid concentrated juices or dried forms. And if you notice joint flare-ups after eating them, try cutting them out for a week or two to see if your symptoms improve. 6. Pineapple, the sweet fruit that may be damaging your joints. Pineapple is praised for its bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. But here's the twist. Pineapple also has high sugar and acid content, which can irritate your digestive system and interfere with calcium and magnesium absorption, two minerals crucial for bone and joint strength. Canned pineapple and pineapple juice are even worse, often packed with added sugars and preservatives that increase joint swelling. And even fresh pineapple, when eaten in large amounts, can raise uric acid levels, again putting you at risk for gout or stiffness. If your knees ache or your legs feel unusually sore after eating pineapple, it may not be a coincidence. Cut back to small, occasional servings and pair it with anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens or omega-3 rich seeds. Sevidimbi kantioin, chinen tanan fuader, tintri, tin kanin tuan sin tuan, groundern, the sugar bomb that silently weakens aging joints. Mango is delicious and often seen as a healthy tropical snack. But one medium mango contains over 40 grams of sugar, more than most sodas. This sugar overload leads to rapid blood sugar spikes, followed by inflammation and uric acid production. For older adults, this combination is a recipe for swelling, stiffness, and joint discomfort, particularly in the knees, ankles, and feet. And because mango feels light, it's easy to overeat, especially in fruit salads, smoothies, or juices. This doesn't mean you can never enjoy mango again, but it should be treated as an occasional treat, not a daily staple. If you're craving something sweet, berries, kiwis, or citrus in small doses are better options that won't sabotage your joint health. Conclusion. So now you know, some of the fruits we've always believed to be healthy can quietly contribute to joint pain, stiffness, and leg fatigue as we age. This isn't about giving up fruit altogether. It's about making smarter choices that work with your body, not against it. Just by cutting back on a few of these high-sugar, high-acid fruits, you may notice dramatic improvements. Less swelling in your knees, more energy in your legs, easier walks, and better overall balance. Here's what you can do starting today. Watch how your legs and joints feel after eating certain fruits. Reduce or rotate out fruits that consistently leave you feeling stiff or sore. Focus on low-sugar, anti-inflammatory options like berries, kiwi, papaya, cucumber, or avocado. Your body is always giving you clues. Learn to listen. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more health-focused content. And share this with a friend or family member who might be unknowingly struggling with these same issues. Let's age smarter and stronger, together. Stay active, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video.